Now friends, you're most welcome back again in this new video tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how you can get a customized send ID in Uganda. This is very simple process. Now remember, one thing you have to know, in Uganda we majorly use MTN and Airtel. You get? Now the process of you getting MTN sender ID and Airtel sender ID, it takes some time. Now, okay, I don't want to mention where it's come from and so on. Now, this is what you have to know. To get MTN sender ID, it will cost you roughly 250,000 Uganda shillings. Is the money. And also for Airtel, direct from the Airtel, it will still cost you 250,000. Now, for YoolaSMS, they tend to charge you an extra 50,000 for setup fee, which is one time for both MTN and Airtel. But this is what you have to know. For MTN, they charge you every month. Every month you have to pay 250,000. For Airtel, they charge you 250,000 once. And the process takes between 5 to 10 days to have your own sender ID. Now, for you to do with MTN and Airtel by yourself, it will take a lot of time. First of all, you should be a registered company. Second, you should be having licenses, this and that, as you know. To have all of these things swift for you, don't worry about that. Come directly to YoolaSMS. Create an account. Make sure you have an account in YoolaSMS. So when you have an account in YoolaSMS, this is what happens. Go direct to your account where they say sender ID. Now, for example, on my side, I have one sender ID, which is called YoolaSMS, and I have one for both MTN and Airtel. Now, for you who's using YoolaSMS, this is very good for you because between 5 to 10 days, you'll be already having your own sender ID. And the process is very swift from us. Having created up an account in YoolaSMS, just go to sender ID here. When you go to sender ID, just pick the name you want to use. Like for example, YoolaSMS. Pick the name you want and proceed. After doing so, we shall automatically get an alert from our side or from them, the YoolaSMS, and then they get you on how to pay. The payment once is made and the name once is verified, it takes between 5 to 10 days to have your complete sender ID in Uganda. This is the most swift and easy way to get a complete sender ID for your business in Uganda. In 2026, it's very good for you to have your own business credited in your own name, like branded in your name. So this is something very good and very nice for you as a business in Uganda. So thanks for watching this short video. As you go to YoolaSMS, create your account today and make sure you get your own branded sender ID. Thank you.